2012 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, dual front airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, keyless entry, Bluetooth, automatic stability control, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, child safety locks, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, cloth seats, power driver mirror, tilt steering wheel, cup holders, 4-piece floor mat set, telescopic steering wheel, radio data system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.